Welcome to the NFE Box video tutorial. The NFE Box set was created through cooperation between 5 international partners, from Croatia, from Belgium, from Slovenia, from Portugal. This educational tool is universal and consists of 6 educational adventures. Each adventure contains 10 missions to solve in order to complete the code which opens the treasure chest. There are 5 different maps in design, and 6 different possible themes. The different thematics in the NFE Box tool are inclusion, participation, values, ecology and green practices, project design and management, and additionally, reflection and debriefing. Each theme can be played separately on a random map, but you can also combine different thematics and maps, depending on the goals you wish to achieve, the target group and particularly the time you have. So let's start. In this tutorial we already explore 2 different ways how you can use the NFE Box tool. In the first way, all the teams solve the card missions one by one, this all together and at the same time. At the end of each mission, each one presents the results to the other teams. The role of the facilitator is moderation and logistic assistance until the reflection, debriefing phase. To prepare this gamified exercise, first choose one map and the relevant theme for you and the group. Review the tasks related to the selected theme and arrange them as you believe they fit best the group dynamics. The last 2 cards should be the code card and the treasure chest card. Keep those at the end of the order. Every successfully solved mission brings a reward in the form of a blizzard icon, where the number of blizzards symbolizes steps which can be made on the map. These are energy chips. Additionally, there are also tokens of a hand, head and heart mentioned on the card. They refer to the different dimensions of every competence, skills, knowledge and attitudes. To conquer the 8 treasure, the amount of these needed icons is mentioned on the code card. If necessary, you can reduce the number of missions. Pay attention that the selected number of missions leads to the minimum amount of rewards needed for the treasure chest. Prepare a pleasant atmosphere. Place the mission cards, upside down, next to the map. The same for the energy chips and avatars. Foresee enough logistical materials which might be needed to solve certain tasks: papers, pencils, cubes, bottles, etc. This information you can find in the manual. Divide the participants into teams. Each team chooses their avatar and a starting point on the map. Decide which team starts first, for example the team with the youngest member, and then go clockwise. The map shows different paths on which the teams can move with their avatars to reach the different mission marking points. The energy needed to run the intended distance is represented by the energy coins. For every step made on the map, the team places an energy coin on that spot. Every team starts with 5 energy coins. When a team arrives at a mission point, they take the mission card and read it aloud. Each team then has the time to solve it. At the end of the time, each team presents their solution to the others. If the majority of teams are satisfied with the solution, the prize for solving the task goes to the team that read the mission. The treasure chest can be opened as soon as one team, or more teams together, have gained the needed resources according to the code card, even if this happens before all the missions have been completed. If you wish to play with 2 or more maps at the same time, which also means you have chosen a different theme for each map, there are wormholes on each map which allows avatars to jump directly to a wormhole on another map. At the end of a successfully solved map, we recommend reflection with the help of the reflection map or alternatively the Thor reflection tool. A second way to use the tool is for all teams to start at the same time at the center of the map. The role of the facilitator is supporting and logistic assistance until the reflection, debriefing phase. The preparations are the same: map, missions, avatars, tokens, materials. In this version, additionally place the 12 numbered chips on the different mission spots. These numbers refer to the respective numbered mission cards. All teams get 5 energy coins to start. At the signal of the facilitator, they start moving simultaneously around the map till they encounter specially marked places on the roads. There are different numbers in these places which refer to the missions with that particular number. The teams do not share their results with others and decide if the mission was successful or not. The sharing process takes place during the debriefing phase. This dynamic process continues as long as there are unsolved missions. After completing all the missions, give the players time to figure out how to successfully complete the final mission, to open the treasure chest. This encourages participants to think about joint actions, inclusion and cooperation. At the end of a successfully solved map, we recommend a group reflection. For this you can also use the reflection map or simply the debriefing cards. Tips for a more successful use of the multi-dimensional NFE Box tool. Take time for a quality preparation, also depending on the target group. Prepare a pleasant and safe atmosphere, and a large enough area. As a facilitator, limit your influence during the realization of the exercise. Prepare yourself for the debriefing. You can use the NFE Box both offline or online. The created additional web app substitutes the physical format of the educational board game. The playing remains the same as previously explained.